Clear the netting. Expose the tube. All non-essential personnel fall back to the blast bunker. Now! Erection sequence start. 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Fire. Good launch! Bird is away! Clean separation from the pad. Pack up! We move immediately!
Stage 2 ignition detected. Chamber pressure rising to max. We are back under power. Trajectory remains nominal. Blackout ended. Telemetry restored. Terminal guidance active. Deviation 0 meters. Impact imminent.
The third stage motor diameter must adhere to the volume constraint. Run the aerodynamic simulation for the re-entry vehicle at Mach 25, May.
Right away. Ablative layer erosion is within tolerance, but the peak temperature on the nose tip is 4,500 Kelvin. We must verify the composite integrity after cure.
Stop the simulation. The failure point is confirmed at the forward seal. We must increase the filament winding density by 6%. No structural compromise allowed.
Code integrity verified. Release is secure. Begin stage 1 casing filament winding immediately.
According to the tablet, we are within tolerance. 21 meters is impressive.
It certainly is. Let's verify the cradle supports.
Stop the scan. Section G4 shows a 6mm void. This casing is rejected. Send it to reprocessing immediately. 0 defects.
Tool speed at 8,000 RPM. Surface finish parameter check. 0.001 mm roughness achieved. Perfect.
Digital X-ray confirms 0 inclusions and full penetration on the forward dome weld. The titanium pressure vessel integrity is guaranteed.
Final metrology is green. Casing ready for solid fuel grain casting. Begin preparation for stage 1 propellant loading.
Beam power at 40 kilowatts. Weld penetration is complete. Cooling cycle beginning. Joint stress test is next.
Surface finish check passed. Bearing bore concentricity confirmed to 5 mirons. This mount is ready for hydraulic integration.
Liner thickness gauge reads uniform. No gaps at the seam. This is the last defense. Seal it now.
Helium mass spectrometer reads stable. Leak rate is 0.0. Dome certified for propellant loading prep.
Torque setting 370 Newton meters achieved. Mark bolt 1 as secure. Repeat for all 30 fasteners.
Air quality is certified. 0 contaminants. Prepare the APCP slurry for mixing. We proceed to stage 3.
Batch viscosity check. Temperature must not exceed 22 degrees Celsius. Maintain rotation at 4 RPM. Slurry viscosity is within casting range. Temperature stable. Transfer protocol is authorized.
Mandrel descent speed, 1 mm per second. Maintain absolute vertical alignment. No contact with the inhibitor tabs.
Casting is sealed. Transfer to cure cycle monitoring. Next check in 24 hours. Containment is absolute. 72 hours into the cure cycle. Temperature delta 0.05 degrees. Stability is nominal. Proceed to week 3. Mandrel lift speed.
Core bore scope confirms 0 surface cracking. Inhibitor bond line is intact. Surface roughness 0.01 micron. Internal geometry verified.
Motor 1 Alpha is now quarantined. Transport to the secondary analysis facility. Do not breach the containment zone.
The anomaly is a metallic inclusion, 0.8 millimeters in diameter, likely aluminum oxide contaminant from the mixing blade. Isolation protocol confirmed.
New batch mixing initiated. Viscosity check at 10 minutes. No contamination allowed. 0 tolerance, team.
0 particulate count on the seal surface. Prepare the O-ring and attach the primary shear bolts.
Igniter position confirmed. Lock pin deployed. Seal the blast shield before connection of the pyrotechnic wiring harness.
Helium-0 leak confirmed. Motor stage 1 is sealed. Propulsion integrity certified.
Stage 1 motor transfer complete. Now focus. Increase winding tension by 5% for the Stage 2 casing. Begin the sequence.
O-ring compression test nominal. Sealant applied to spec. No thermal breach possible at this joint.
Continuity test passed. Safety shunt resistance is nominal. Igniter is armed for final connection only.
Propellant modifier concentration 0.002%. Weight is exact. Ready for slurry incorporation.
Solvent circulation at maximum. Maintain cleaning cycle for 3 minutes. Optical inspection post-wash.
Stage 2 propellant transfer nominal. Density monitors read uniform throughout the column. Seal and prepare for cure.
Stage 2 radiography is flawless. 0 voids, 0 inclusions. Core geometry verified to design spec.
EVC actuators torqued to spec. Connect the hydraulic feed line. Stage 1 propulsion system is fully integrated.
Stage 2 motor transfer protocol complete. Clear the zone. All components verified for final vehicle integration.
Separation bolt alignment confirmed. Torque setting 3 Newton meters. Connect the explosive wire shunt.
Detonator to connection point 001. Solder joint integrity verified. Maintain ground loop integrity. Alignment checkpoint 0001 degrees. Apply locking torque. The primary guidance system is now live. Environmental controls are nominal. Internal compartment certification, grade 1. Prepare to seal the Avionics access panel. Umbilical connected. Run signal integrity test on the primary fiber link. Data transfer confirmed, 0 error.
Die penetrant test clear. 0 surface discontinuities detected. Structural joint integrity confirmed. Stage 3 power bus verified. Firing circuit redundancy is green. All systems report ready status.
Avionics bay is sealed and pressurized. Final vehicle assembly can now commence. Warhead interface planarity verified. All mounting points zeroed out. Ready for payload mating. Separation logic test passed. 3-axis deployment sequence verified. Stage 3 is ready to receive the re-entry vehicle.
Panel 5 beta secure. Gap tolerance check zeroed out. Maintain cleanliness around the seal joint. Full stack telemetry check nominal. All propulsion and guidance sensors reporting within spec. We have a clean, stable vehicle bus. Separation charge seated. Verify no touch contact with the primary data cable. Arming sequence locked down.
Cycle rate confirmed. Full pitch and yaw deflection achieved. Hydraulic pressure decay is 0. TVC system verified.
GNSS acquisition time, 2.1 seconds. Calculated drift correction factor verified.
Closure plug torque to spec. Internal pressure is holding. Stage 3 is propulsion complete and ready for payload integration.
Payload shroud lift confirmed. Maintain 5-meter separation from the vehicle stack. Clear the integration zone below.
Electrical and thermal barrier installed. 0 air pockets. Payload bus is ready for nuclear integration protocols.
Hydrazine transfer line secured. Pressure stabilized. Begin loading sequence for the vernier thrusters. Watch the vapor sensors.
Arming bus connected. Safety interlocks are active. Data stream to payload unit 3 is established.
Dynamic balance is within tolerance. Mass distribution verified. The payload is flight ready. Prepare for shroud encapsulation.
Fairing closure sequence initiated. Payload is now secure. Maintain positive pressure purge.
Payload entering the assembly hall. All cranes to stand by. Clear the central aisle for mating.
Crane operator, slow descent. Align the guide pins. Prepare for final touchdown on stage 3. Contact confirmed. Locks engaged. The vehicle is fully stacked. Specialist Kang, the bird is yours.
Vehicle integrity acknowledged.
Alignment check. Clearance is 5 centimeters on all sides. Lower away gently. Do not scrape the thermal liner.
Top cover secured. Nitrogen purge pressure at 2 bars. The environment is stable. The bird is sleeping.
Breakover sequence start. Watch the CG indicator. Smooth rotation. Steady. Down to 0 degrees.
Rear pivot points aligned. Lower the tube. Lock the hydraulic rams. We are mated to the chassis. Pressure at 3,000 psi. Lift is smooth, holding at 4 to 5 degrees.
Excellent. Bring it down. The system is combat ready.
Hardline secure. Initiate the launch control system handshake. Verify encryption keys are active. Inertial platform alignment complete. Gyros are stable at operating speed. Flight computer is online and waiting for coordinates.
Simulated trajectory confirms range of 12,000 kilometers. CEP is within 100 meters. Mission profile validated.
Propulsion? Go. Guidance? Go. Payload? Go. This unit is cleared for deployment.
Travel locks engaged. Suspension mode set to heavy transport. Secure all external umbilicals for movement. Thermal shielding secure. Netting coverage 100%. Check IR signature suppression. We move in 5 mics. Blast doors opening. Perimeter security is packages external. Rolling. Maintain convoy interval at 50 meters. Air defense units, eyes up. Convoy halt. TEL positioning on pad alpha. Survey team, confirm coordinates. Establish perimeter. Outriggers extending. Ground contact confirmed. Leveling system active. Vehicle stability is locked. Clear the netting. Expose the tube. All non-essential personnel fall back to the blast bunker. Now. Erection sequence start. 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees.
Scripted. Flight computer updated. Stand by for launch authority.
Thermal batteries activated.
Voltage rising.
28 volts stable. Vehicle is on internal power. Umbilical disconnect armed.
Launch sequence committed. 3, 2, 1. Fire. Good launch! Bird is away! Clean separation from the pad! Pack up! We move immediately!
Stage 1 burnout confirmed. Thrust tail off nominal. Velocity is Mach 6.5. Stand by for separation.
Stage 2 ignition detected. Chamber pressure rising to max. We are back under power. Trajectory remains nominal.
Fairing separation confirmed. Drag penalty removed. Warheads are exposed to vacuum environment.
Star Tracker has lock on Sirius and Canopus. IMU drift corrected. Position accuracy is now within 3 meters. Perfect navigation fix.
Stage 2 separation confirmed. Stage 3 ignition. Velocity is 7 kilometers per second, approaching final cutoff.
RV-1 released.
Atmospheric interface in 10 seconds. Angle of attack minus 32 degrees. Spin rate stabilized. We are committed.
Plasma sheath forming. Telemetry blackout initiated. We are blind for the next 40 seconds. Trust the heat shield.
Blackout ended. Telemetry restored. Terminal guidance active. Deviation 0 meters. Impact imminent. Impact confirmed. All re-entry vehicles hit within 5 meters of the aim point. Accuracy is absolute.
System shut down. Secure the data links. Outstanding work, crew. The DF-41 has proven itself today.